watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Summer is just around the corner, and now is a wonderful time to start preparing your home for the season ahead. In today's video, I'll be sharing some simple yet timeless summer decorating ideas that will help create a serene and stylish atmosphere in your home. These ideas focus on clean lines, natural textures, and classic appeal. Let's dive in. Neutral color palette. Start with a soft, neutral color palette. Shades like ivory, taupe, and light gray create a calm, inviting atmosphere, perfect for summer. Natural wood accents. Light wood accents in furniture or decor pieces bring warmth and texture to your space without overpowering it, creating a balanced look. Linen textiles. Linen is a go-to material for summer. Use linen tablecloths, throw pillows, or curtains to add a light, airy feel to your home while maintaining an elegant look. Subtle floral patterns. Incorporate delicate floral patterns through cushions, bed linens, or artwork. Soft, muted florals are a timeless choice that adds a gentle touch of nature. Vintage finds. Bringing in antique or vintage pieces can add personality and charm to your home. Whether it's a vintage lamp or a classic chair, these pieces stand the test of time. Elegant lighting fixtures. Choose lighting fixtures that are both practical and beautiful. Crystal chandeliers, brass sconces, or soft glowing table lamps can create an elegant ambience for your space. Indoor plants. Adding plants to your home not only freshens up the air, but also brings nature indoors. Opt for simple potted plants in neutral containers for a timeless look. Classic artwork. Timeless artwork, whether it's a classic painting or a black and white photograph, can bring sophistication to any room. Choose pieces that resonate with your personal style. Woven baskets. Woven baskets are functional and decorative. Use them for storage or as a unique design element in any room, adding texture and an earthy feel. Marble accents. Marble elements such as countertops, trays, or decorative objects add a touch of luxury and timeless elegance to your home. Soft lighting. Create a cozy atmosphere with soft lighting. Use dimmable lamps, string lights, or candles to introduce a warm, inviting glow to your spaces. Antique mirrors. Mirrors can reflect light and open up a space. An antique-style mirror adds both charm and depth, making your room feel brighter and more spacious. Neutral rugs. A neutral-colored rug can anchor a room, adding comfort while still maintaining a sophisticated look. Look for subtle patterns or solid shades to complement your decor. Ceramic vases. Simple ceramic vases, with or without flowers, bring elegance and simplicity to your space. Their understated beauty can elevate any table or shelf. Open shelving. Open shelving is both practical and stylish. It allows you to display carefully curated items like books, decorative trays, or art pieces, adding an airy and organized feel to the room. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope these simple and timeless summer decorating ideas have inspired you to create a space that feels both elegant and relaxed. Remember, it's the subtle touches that truly make a home feel special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more decorating tips, and leave a comment with your favorite summer decor idea. See you next time for more inspiration, and until then, keep your home beautiful and timeless.